Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set with you in mind. I need to make birthday cards and get my April birthday cards out. I'm using a designer series paper from the Countryside Inn. Last pieces of paper. I only have, 2 full sheets and then all these scraps in the bottom. This here, 3 pieces of paper. Yep, 3 cards at one time. They are cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I already punched out these circles, 2 3/8 in circle punch. And these card bases, basic white, they're cut 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And these will be our card bases for birthday cards. This designer series paper is on the last chance list. So get them while you can. It's only while supplies last. Last I checked, I think in the US it's $10 a pack. I love this pack, you guys. Okay. This here, I'm just gonna stamp best wishes on them. Just with a Night of Navy ink. Centering best as I can. Just like that. Love it. It almost looks black. So dark and vibrant, this color, yeah. There we go. And on the inside of each card, we'll go ahead and put happy birthday. Not best wishes, but happy birthday. Oh, but this is why I wanted, you see, I got a little smudge there, so I'm going to turn this card the opposite way. I'm going to cover that up with the front. So that's good that that happened there, huh? So you guys could see it. Now let's try again. Such a dark color, so I'm going to turn it that way. You might be able to see it a little on that side, but it's okay. There, beautiful. One more. I'm gonna hold it down while I stamp. Like that. Just like that. I think that's beautiful. Okay, and let's get like a light blue. So we'll get out to the balmy blue. And I'll just stamp the balmy blue here, just like this. Just 2 of them. I think this one here, I'm gonna also stamp it on the front. A little off the sheet, just like that. Or off the cardstock, I should say. Don't you love it? And then this, I'm actually gonna get my cutter, paper cutter, and I'm gonna cut all these 3 pieces of paper at the same time. And then I'm gonna keep them all in the same order, because I'm gonna, I don't know what they call this kind of card, but I'm gonna cut that. I'm going 1 inch on this side, or maybe I should go 1 1/4. So 1 1/4 inches on this side. Cutting them all at the same time. Maybe a paper shuffle, something like that. Keeping them still in the same order. And then I think I'm going to cut it at 2 1/4 inches. Keeping them still in the same order. Okay. And then I'm going to shuffle it. So this here, I'm gonna move it back once. This here, I'm gonna move it back twice. Oh, sorry. And then this one here, I'm gonna move it. What happened? Jeez, did I mess that up? I'm not gonna move it at all. That's what you do. There we go. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna put it on the front of the card, just like that. And then we go ahead and burnish these again. And this one here, let me just do that one last. This one here, excuse me, I'm gonna go like this, and then like this. So I think I'm gonna put this piece on first, and then this one here like this, and like this. And here, oops, oh, no, it has to be this one. And then this one, I wanted the darker color on the top. And this here like this. And here we go, like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put them together. I'll put this one first. Oh, this side is nice too. I like that side too. But I wanted the bunnies since it's April. Oh, am I even in frame or in the picture? I always bring my paper to me to put the glue, and I'm not sure. Am I pulling it too far back where you cannot see? There, one's down, one's done. How do you like that? I'm gonna turn this around so I can see better on this side. Uh-oh. Using all my glue here. That's good. Use them all. Use them all. This one here, should I leave a little room? No, I can't. I don't think. I was gonna say, should we leave a little white space? Oh, do I always pull out a screen? Or am I still in screen? Oop, wrong way. This way. And last one. Oh yeah, I'm using all the glue on this one. I have to grab another glue bottle. And these we're gonna go ahead and put Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm just gonna put them right here. Taking off the backing. This one I'm gonna put a little lower because there was a little white there. But there we have it, you guys. What do you guys think? 3 cards. I don't even know how long that took us to make them all. But thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my website. The link is provided in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye.